Now we are going to learn about the letter R. Can you see the letter? Yes, it is the letter R. And what is the sound of R? R says R. R says R. R, R, red. R, R, red. R, R, rose. Can you see this beautiful rose? What is the color of rose? Yes, it is R, R, red in color. Next, what can we see? R says R, 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 rainbow. When can you see a rainbow? When it rains and the sun shines, we can see a beautiful rainbow up in the sky. Do you want to sing the rainbow song with me? Come on, let's sing it. How many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors are there in a rainbow? Let us count and see. Violet, indigo, blue and green. Violet, indigo, blue and green. Violet, indigo, blue and green. Yellow, orange, red. 7 colors are there in a rainbow. 7 colors are there in a rainbow. 7 colors are there in a rainbow. We have counted and see. So what did we learn? We learned R says R, 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 red. R says R, 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 rose. R says R, 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 rainbow. Thank you, children.
Hi kids! I hope you loved this real video by Real Educators. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.